Hello, good afternoon. I'm Arlene Del Socorra, looking for an employer. I am 36 years old and I'm working here in Hong Kong for 11 years now. I am looking for a new employer because I was terminated from my latest employer last Saturday. I am working with them for 3 years and 6 months, and then they finished it last Saturday. And I I have I had previous employment from 3 families here in Hong Kong. The first one is I was hired for just only 3 months. I was direct hired from them, but unluckily we are not compatible to be employer, so that's why she terminated my contract. And the second one, that's the long working I had with them for 7 years. I am the one who taking care of the kid from newborn baby to until 7 years old kid. So it's just that they need to relocate. They migrate in the other country. That's why they need to release me. So the third one, I am the one who break the contract because also we are not compatible to be employer together. So I just work with them for 4 months. Then this latest one is 3 years and 6 months. So now I am looking for my new employer and family to work with, and I will accept my qualifications. And then I am hoping that they will hire me. And I am willing to work with you for the best of my ability. And also I know how to I have experience, by the way, of taking care of a newborn baby, an infant and toddler, and a kid. So that's my qualifications. And I can do housekeeping also. I can do cooking a simple dish, and then I can follow recipes like that. And I do groceries. So that's all, and thank you and God bless.